All these concepts like VPC, VPN, subnets, and endpoints can be very confusing and used in different scenarios in different way. So right now what I want to do is to clear the clutter, and we'll talk about AWS VPC concepts, Premier, and in general scan what is VPC, VPN, subnets, endpoints very quickly and clear the clutter out. So what is a VPC? VPC is like your own virtual private cloud. And when we say virtual, we mean it's not real. So it's like your private cloud. You can think of it like your own internal internet. It's where you put your servers, your applications, almost everything, but not everything, as we will see. So you treat it as your global unit where you put your application. It's virtual, meaning it's not really your private cloud because, of course, you host it in AWS, so it's not yours. That's why it's virtual. VPN is your own non-real secure network connection between VPCs. So if you need to connect between multiple VPCs, you use a VPN. And again, we see that it's virtual, meaning it's not really private, it's only secured. So we try to make it private, but by making it secure. Virtual reality is not real, it's a virtual reality. So again, with VPC and VPN, it's all virtual. It's not really secure, it's not really your own cloud. We make tricks to make it secure, to make it private, and to make it your own cloud. Subnets are internal networks within your VPC. So just as you would have your own cloud, you would make their internal networks, and you create subnets, both public and private, in order to have internal networks in your VPC. You have public subnets external facing the internet, and private subnet internally inside your organization, inside your applications. Endpoints connect you to external services in AWS. So with the endpoints, you connect to stuff like S3. So you might have thought that S3 is in your private cloud. However, it's not. It's external. In your private cloud, you host mainly your application, your servers, your disk, your EBS. But when you need services like S3, then you need to create an endpoint in order to connect to them. So S3 is not in your VPC, it's externally, and there are more services which are external to your VPC. In order to connect from your VPC into those external services, you use endpoints. So VPC, it's all virtual, meaning it's not real. It's as if it's your private cloud, but it's not. So you saw you need to connect to S3 externally. VPN is also a non-real thing. You use VPN in order to interconnect your own private cloud, your own virtual private clouds, and you host your actual applications inside your VPC. So in your VPC, you host the actual application, the server, the disk. This is where you host the things. And when you need to connect to external stuff, then you use the endpoint. And when you need to connect one VPC into another VPC, then you use the VPN, the virtual private network. I'm repeating this on purpose so these ideas will get inside your brain. And endpoints, you use endpoints in order to connect to external AWS servers. When you create an account, you actually already have a default VPC, and this is what you use. So you already have a VPC even if you do not create any VPC, because this is the first layer of abstraction. So let's repeat the summary. VPC is your own non-real virtual private cloud. VPN is your own non-real virtual secure network connection between VPC. And subnets are internal networks within your VPC. Endpoints connect your VPC into external AWS services such as S3. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and I will see you, of course, next time.